one of the last places in the building that still actually has metal framing that's showing, because the majority of the building now has all the drywall that's up. And we're actually in the conference room looking over into the huge lobby area where there's gonna be a lot of stuff happening. And if we kind of like turn over this way, back over here is the offices, and you guys can see that all the drywall back there is actually going up to the doors and main auditorium and the kids wing, and pretty much the rest of the building. Most of the drywall is up now. We're in the final stages. I was just told that the drywall isn't up here because we ran out, and they have another shipment that's supposed to be coming, I think sometime later today. So by the time you guys are watching this, all the drywall will be totally finished in the building. They just started on it a couple of days ago. So we're gonna give you guys a little bit of a walkthrough, because now that the walls are up, you can really kind of see how things are taking shape. So we're gonna take you around the building and show you what God is doing.